Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Firefox has received an update, which is the first point release update for version 111. And version 111 did roll out last week, so already there are a couple of issues that this latest update is addressing. Now, this is a bug fix update, which fixes one issue for macOS users, and the other is addressing an issue for Windows users, and is a non-security update, and was made available on the 21st of March, which was kind of late yesterday in my region. Now, to double check, as always, if you have this latest update, we head to the menu, Help, About Firefox, and this will force the update, if it hasn't done so already, to version 111.0.1. So we are dealing with the first point release for version 111. Now, this does fix a ongoing macOS issue for Firefox, where Mozilla say they once again have fixed a crash for and on macOS while pinch zooming under some circumstances. So this is a minor bug, but does keep coming and going, and has been around for a good couple of years now for macOS users. And once again, about a month or so ago, Mozilla opened up the bug report, and now with this latest point release, say they have addressed and fixed the issue on macOS. And then the second bug fix is for Windows, where they fixed a bug causing Firefox to freeze on startup for some Windows users. So nonetheless, a minor bug fix, but yet for some Windows users, after upgrading to version 111, the browser was showing a blank window with just the minimize, the maximize, and the X, the close buttons in the browser, with no actual UI, user interface. It was just showing a blank window. So if you were experiencing that issue where the browser was freezing on startup, that issue has now been fixed and addressed for Windows users. So that's it. That's the two fixes that have rolled out, one for macOS and one for Windows users in Firefox version 111.0.1. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.